Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Autos, where we bring your automotive dreams to life. Today we're diving into a true icon reborn. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a car that once embodied European elegance and charm, is making a bold return. And trust me, it's turning heads all over again. The original Karmann Ghia was a stylish coupe and convertible that graced the roads from the mid-1950s to the mid-1970s. It combined Volkswagen engineering with Italian design flair from Ghia and German craftsmanship by Karmann. The result was a timeless classic that still holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and car lovers. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has reimagined the Karmann Ghia for a new generation. The retro modern design captures the essence of the original, with flowing lines, rounded fenders, and a low, wide stance. But this isn't just a nostalgic throwback. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's cutting-edge MEB platform, making it fully electric and future-ready. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, is an electric powertrain offering two configurations, a single-motor rear-wheel drive and a dual-motor all-wheel drive. The rear-wheel drive version delivers around 250 horsepower, while the dual-motor setup pushes close to 350. That means this beauty can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, making it as quick as it is stylish. With a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, the new Karmann Ghia isn't just about looks. It's practical, efficient, and built for daily driving or weekend cruising. Fast charging capabilities mean you can juice up to 80% in under 30 minutes, so your road trips won't be cut short. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly blends vintage inspiration with modern luxury. Soft touch materials, minimalist digital displays, and subtle chrome accents create an environment that feels both nostalgic and contemporary. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports all the latest tech, from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to voice-activated navigation and over-the-air updates. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes with Volkswagen's full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for smooth maneuvering in tight spots. Volkswagen has also promised a limited-run launch edition that pays homage to the original with unique color options, retro-style badging, and special interior details. It's a nod to the past while firmly looking toward the future. The price expected to start around $45,000 for the base model, climbing to $60,000 for the top-tier version with all the bells and whistles. That puts it in competition with sporty EVs, like the Tesla Model 3 and the Polestar 2, but with a distinct personality and heritage they just can't match. So is the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, the stylish electric coupe we've all been waiting for. We think so. It's elegant, it's fast, it's green, and it's got soul. Thanks for watching Dream Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride into the future. See you next time.